Welcome to our Python tutorials, and finally we are starting the series of Python. Python is programming language and also it is interpreted object oriented, procedure oriented, high level programming language. Also it is called as a general purpose language. Python is one of the fastest growing language in terms of numbers of developer, in terms of numbers of company, in terms of numbers of area, and in terms of numbers of library like machine learning, web development, GUI, that is graphical user interface, software development. So that's why it is called a general purpose language. Now some people say that Python is new language. Not exactly. Java came in picture 1995, Python came in picture 1989. Now, why Python is famous? We have C, C++, Java, JavaScript. Still, Python is famous because of it is easy to read and learn, portability, interpreted language, dynamical type, free and open. Now see, some company uses Python like we have NASA, Dropbox, Google, YouTube. So we can see we have all the company are using Python as a main language or as a support language. Now we will see history of Python. Now let's focus word Python. In fact, when we talk about C, C++, Java, this name have story. What about Python? The author of Python, Sir Guido van Rossum, he is a big fan of the British comedy movie called as Monty Python's Flying Circus, and that's why he went with a name called as a Python initially. It is one of the easiest language to learn and now let's see the versions of Python. Python have multiple versions like Python 1.0, Python 2.0, Python 3.0, and also progressive versions are available. So